Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Thursday, August 27th. I'm James Spann. Got some scattered storms in progress across the state today, producing gusty winds. We do have a low-end tornado threat tomorrow because of the remnants of Laura. Let's get in there and talk about it. First off, the upper air look across the country this afternoon. Got the westerlies just to the north. And of course, you can see Laura over Arkansas. That will be recurving into those westerlies north of Alabama overnight tonight. There's the visible satellite view. Laura moving up into Arkansas. And a spiral band wrapping through West Alabama, moving rapidly northward. That line has prompted a few severe thunderstorm warnings, but most of the winds I've seen so far are in the 30 and 40 mile per hour bracket on the western side of the state with that. Temperatures are in the upper 80s and low 90s in most spots, although Tuscaloosa's down to 76 because of rain. There's the watch warning map. We've got flash flood watches west of the state as Laura passes through, and a tornado watch until 4 o'clock for parts of Mississippi, Louisiana, and Arkansas. So far, I've not heard of any major tornado issues there so far today. There's the larger risk through tonight. Enhanced risks up around New York City, Long Island. Also an enhanced risk over South Dakota and parts of Minnesota. And, of course, down here, that risk over the Mississippi Valley region because of Laura, just west of Alabama. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk from Des Moines over to Chicago. In Alabama, the standard risk, the slight risk, as far south as Scottsboro and Dora and Reform, the areas in yellow. A marginal risk as far south as Lincoln, Centerville, and Livingston, the areas in darker green, level 1 out of 5. And the main threat's going to be these brief tropical tornadoes in the spiral bands as Laura passes north of the state. And then day 3, which is Saturday, got the standard slight risk east of here. For Alabama, again, a low-end marginal risk north of a line from Vernon to Birmingham to Ranburne. And the main threat Saturday will be from strong gusty winds, a low chance of a tornado there. And again, more about these threats in just a second. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Of course, the big numbers with Laura over Arkansas, then curving up into parts of southeast Missouri and western Kentucky. For most of Alabama, amounts 1 to 2 inches. Heavier totals should be over the Tennessee Valley. And let's take a look at Laura. Now a tropical storm coming through Arkansas with winds of 65 miles per hour. The weakening will continue with time, moving north at 15. It is going to be curving to the east through parts of Kentucky, West Virginia, Maryland, and then coming out into the Atlantic as a post-tropical system by Sunday. And let's look at the bigger picture. All of a sudden, we have 2 waves now, the Hurricane Center monitoring in the main development region. One has come off the coast of Africa, one between the coast of Africa and the Lesser Antilles. And for now, this is the 5-day outlook, both with a low chance of development, but we know what time of the year it is. We have to watch those things carefully. So, model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. The system that is Laura, a little north of us. Surface low should be near the western tip of Kentucky. And again, in that position, there's no doubt we're going to see the wind veering from southeast at the surface to westerly aloft. And that might set some of the updrafts in motion. This is the STP, the significant tornado parameter. Valid tomorrow at 2, and you can see the numbers are maximized there, about 2 to 3 units over parts of northwest Alabama. So again, for about the northern half of the state, we'll have the chance of a few isolated tornadoes tomorrow. So be aware of that, and these are going to be hard to deal with. They're typically low-topped, and sometimes they are literally under the radar. And oftentimes they don't last for more than 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes, and they're gone. So providing a warning for these things, it's tough. So be very weather aware tomorrow. Otherwise, a mostly cloudy day with a good chance of showers and storms. This is Saturday. We've seen evidence that drier air might try and creep into the northern third of the state, but for the rest of the state, a mix of sun and clouds with scattered showers and storms around. And Sunday, very tropical air. A lot of clouds, a few passing showers and thunderstorms are likely. Highs for the weekend, upper 80s. Next week, not a lot of change. Here's Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, all 3 days. Occasionally cloudy with scattered to numerous showers and storms. And a week from today, Thursday, September 3rd, troughing way up north, and again, partly sunny with a chance of a thunderstorm during the day. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, September 6th. The westerlies dipping a little farther to the south, which is what happens in September. And again, that looks relatively quiet, maybe a few scattered showers. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean, about 2 inches. Temperatures, highs mostly upper 80s, lows mostly low 70s for a while. And the latest CPC outlook in the house, this is September 3rd through September 9th, showing a really nice cool air mass north of the state, not quite making it down here. But again, our time will come. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.